Once upon a time, I was all alone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this golden green makeup tutorial. It's such a beautiful look, so I hope you guys love it, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm using my Cover FX primer, and I'm just going to apply this all over my entire face. For foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and I am in the color 105, and I'm blending this with my beauty blender. Now for concealer, I'm using this one by Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way concealer. I've been using this for so long. Like, this is a concealer I've been using for like the past 2 weeks. I'm not sure, but yeah, I've been using it a lot lately, and I really love it. So now I'm just going to set my concealer, and I'm using the Lauder Mercier translucent powder. To bronze my face, I'm using this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and yes, I really need a new one. It's literally empty already, it's hitting pan already, but that's when you know you really love something. The blush I'm going to be using today is by Milani, and it's called Luminoso. And I am all finished with the face makeup. Now I'm moving on to the eyes, and today I'm using this Colourpop Good Sport palette, which I am obsessed with. And the first color I'm going to be applying on my crease is called High Hopes, which is like a really light brown. So I'm just placing this on the crease like I said, and I am doing windshield wiper motions. The brush I'm using is by Lab 2 Beauty. I'm not sure what it's called, but everything will be listed down below. I'm so excited to be using Colourpop in today's video. I know I don't really use Colourpop, but when they had this sale going on for like Black Friday, I decided to get some stuff. So I got this palette and I got other stuff, but I'll show you guys on my next video. But I'm definitely going to do more looks using Colourpop products. I'm probably gonna do like a full face of Colourpop. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. But anyways, I'm going to be moving on to the next color, and I'm applying this eyeshadow called Hooky on my crease, and I am using a smaller brush to apply this color. And I'm going back with the first brush I was using to blend both colors together. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the lighter brown eyeshadow called High Hopes on the outer V of my eye. Next, I'm applying the eyeshadow called Hooky on the outer V of my eye as well. The last color I'm applying is this black eyeshadow. I'm not applying a lot of this color just because I don't want it too dark. So I'm just applying a tiny bit of this color. Now for the eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Eyelicious. It's such a beautiful, nice gold eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with it. I'm applying this on the inner half of my eye, but I'm also going to be applying another color, and it's such a beautiful green eyeshadow. I'm telling you guys, I am obsessed with this palette. I'm going to be applying the green eyeshadow next to the gold eyeshadow, so that's what I'm doing right here. At first, I wasn't too sure if I wanted to apply glitter, but I ended up applying it, and I feel like this completed the look. I am all done with the eyes. What do you guys think about this look? Do you guys love it? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. But now for lips, I'm going to be using my lip liner by Kylie, and it's called Dolce. To finish up this look, I'm going to set my makeup, and after I finish doing that, I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.